Good Business San Diego. Sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.
Hi, I'm Roy Robertson. Welcome to Good Business San Diego, where we talk to local business leaders about the important work they're doing for people in our community. The following portion of Good Business San Diego is sponsored by Semper Solaris. John Allman and Kelly Sean are the founders and owners of Semper Solaris, the solar company that's earned 5-star reviews from their customers, has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and most importantly, they've been saving homeowners lots of money on monthly utility bills for years now. John and Kelly are here today with more information on the federal solar tax credit set to expire at the end of the year and what to do if you want to take advantage of it. So guys, we've discussed this before. It's been kind of on the fence. Do we know? Is it happening? But John, for residential customers, this is going away, right?
Oh, it's going away. The end of this year is the end of the 30% residential tax credit, and so there's a big rush to get it in and ordered with enough time to get it done before the end of the year.
Yeah, and so you got to get it done. It's got to be installed by the end of the year.
It's got to be installed, yep.
All right, so that means the time is now to make that call and get going on this. So how quickly, Kelly, will you be able to take these orders, start to get them processed, get the contract signed, get the work done?
I'll tell you what, we've already been granted the fastest solar company in California. We got that, I think, last year sometime. So faster than anybody else is what I can tell you. Every situation is a little bit different, but you got call today. I mean, it's a call today situation. Yeah. Let's go. Because honestly, maybe for some time in the next few weeks, we can get people good to go. And shortly after that, it's going to be tight.
But John, you were saying, I mean, at the very, very latest, you want to get started on this by like the 1st of October to be sure, right?
You want to get, you know, we have a batting order, so as quickly as we're signing people up, that's the order they're going to go in. And so we've got to get all our orders lined up, you know, get permits, get everything installed. So the sooner the better. But we'll probably be sold out. Most solar companies are going to be sold out through the end of the year very soon here. Okay,
and as Kelly points out, you are the quickest in town to be able to get this done, right?
Yeah, there's a ranking, and we're the fastest, yep.
Okay, great. Now we have talked about solar, we've talked about battery, we've talked about roofing. So now you guys, as if that's not enough, and AC too, now you're taking something else on. Kelly, tell us.
We're taking on windows because windows are where all that beautiful air conditioning creeps out into the heat.
Yes.
And if you touch that window you have now and it's warm,
it's hot.
You got a problem. But if you go dual pane with the low E3 and everything, argon gas inside it, and all the new stuff they have these days, keeps the house nice and cool. That AC isn't going to be running all day long like it is right now for you. Bring the bills down. Like everything else we do, it's all about declaring your energy independence.
That's right. Declaring your energy independence. Where have I heard that before?
I don't know. Maybe here.
Yeah. Once or twice, right. With regard to the windows, John, this is something you'll do independently of any of the other services, exclusive focus on windows if that's what a customer
Oh, absolutely. We're actually a home energy efficiency company.
Yes.
We've been doing all sorts of energy efficient home improvements to include insulation, radiant barrier, all sorts of things. And windows are the next step for us. But yeah, we'll do a window only job, no problem. In fact, we're starting to do them already.
Okay, and you guys, I mean, you've got such a great reputation for high standards in solar and the other services. So Kelly, you were telling me that you've also had experience in the window category before. This is just something you want to add on to the services.
You know, for a while now, because if you'll have especially if you have old single pane windows, just call us today. And we've already got some people ready to go, window only jobs. It's what we do as well. Good. So here we are, same Marine Corps, Marine Corps Esprit de Corps. Yep. The same vets are going to install your system. A lot of our people are vets, so you can support your vets by using us for your windows and everything else you need. Give us a call.
Great, and declare your energy independence. Don't forget.
Yeah.
Kelly will be back with another rant at another time. SemperSolaris.com is the website for more information. And the preceding portion of Good Business San Diego is sponsored by Semper Solaris. We'll be right back.